Want to turn off AI on your iPhone? Here's how in 60 seconds. We'll disable Siri and Apple Intelligence suggestions quickly and safely. First, grab your iPhone and open Settings. Make sure your iOS is up to date so menus match. On-screen UI captures will show each tap, plus captions and callouts. Ready? Let's walk through the steps. Step 1. Tap Settings, the gray gear icon on your home screen. Step 2. Scroll and tap Siri and search in the main list. Step 3. Turn off Listen for Hey Siri, press side button for Siri, and allow Siri when locked. Step 4. Under Siri and Search, disable Suggestions and Search, Look Up, and on the lock screen. Step 5. Return to Settings, tap Privacy and Security, then Analytics and Improvements. Turn off Improve Siri and Dictation and share iPhone Analytics. Step 6. Restart your iPhone, then check each setting to confirm AI features are off. You're all set.